Morning everybody, this is Sue from IPSUM. I hope you're staying safe and well and indoors. So we thought we'd do some tutorials, craft tutorials, using things that hopefully you'll have around the house and that don't take too much equipment. So to spread the love and the positivity today, we're going to make some origami hearts. So all you need for this is basically an A4 sheet of paper. If you don't have an A4 piece of paper, so it could be a piece of printing paper from a sketchbook, you could use an old letter, bit of wrapping paper, whatever you can get your hands on. Okay, so we're not precious. So first of all, you're going to take the piece of A4 paper and you're going to fold it down like that, long ways. Okay, and then you're going to fold it, open it up, and then you're going to fold it the other way, like so. So with origami, try and make your folds as accurate as possible, just makes everything nice and neat and tidy. So once you've done that, you need to fold these corners into here to keep this in line with the middle crease. So it looks a bit like when you start to make a paper aeroplane. We're going to do that once. And we're going to do that twice, trying to keep everything as lined up as possible. Okay, you should have something like that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to bring these corners up in, okay, like we did with these. We're going to fold these, and this edge should come along this edge like that. Okay, so you should have something like that, and then we're going to do the same here. So this edge along this edge, like so. Okay, so when you fold in and flatten down, really press along your creases there. Okay, so we've got something resembling that. So we're going to turn it over like so. So we've got that looks just like a square. Then we're going to fold this corner down to meet the other one. So then we've got something that looks a little bit like that. Okay, so what we're then going to do to start to create the top part of the heart is fold these corners in to meet this little this little join here, and folding that in like so. Okay, you see that? And I'm going to do the same, so that corner to meet that join there. So we're nearly there. So see, it doesn't take very long to do. And then we're just going to create the middle part of the heart that goes in by just folding these corners in. So it's up to you how far down you want to, but make sure that they're the same either side. So you can see we're nearly there with the shape of the heart. And then all you do is flip it over and you've got your heart. So you can either leave it plain like that, or you can decorate it with pens or crayons, whatever you've got lying around the house. What you could even do is do some rainbow kind of effects and put them in your window for kids to spot when they're out walking. They're once a day walking. Okay, that's the first of our tutorials. Hope you're well. Take care. Bye.